I, Valia, welcomes you all in class 12, commerce subject elements of accounts in this online video lecture. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4, that is reconstruction of partnership. So dear students, so first of all we just need to understand what is partnership. So, so partnership is the relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Okay, partnership is nothing else, it is the relation between the persons. Okay, uh, they are agreed to share the profit of the business, whether it is running by all or any one of them. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of partnership, and this meaning that we have learned in class 11, okay, and the early chapters of this class 12. Okay, so moving forward, uh, point that if we want to reconstruct the partnership, okay, so we just need to do some adjustment in the profit and loss sharing ratio. Okay, reconstruction of partnership means what? To change in the profit sharing ratio of the partners. Okay, so what are the changes or what are the adjustment that we need to do to adjust the profit sharing ratio? So first problem to share is to determine the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Okay, if we'll adjust the profit or loss of the partner, then some partner will gain and some partner will sacrifice. For example, if two partners are there running in business in a ratio of 60-40, okay, they are running business in 60-40 ratio. Now they want to reconstruct the partnership, so they want to adopt the new profit sharing ratio, that is 50-50. Before they were sharing 60-40, now they are sharing 50-50. So the partner who was getting the profit of rupees 60, now he will get the profit of rupees 50. So he is sacrificing rupees 10. Simultaneously, the partner who was getting the profit of rupees 40, now he will get the profit of rupees 50. So he is gaining rupees 10. So it is very important to find out the sacrificing and gaining ratio of the partners. So understand first what is sacrifice ratio. So here there is the meaning, that is the ratio is the ratio in which one or more partners of the firm force, that is, sacrifice their share of the profit in favor of the other. Okay, the formula is sacrifice ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, old ratio minus new ratio. If we whatever the answer will get, that will be the sacrifice ratio. Okay, the next one is gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is the ratio in which one or more partner will gain or share of profit as a result of sacrificed share in the profit by one or more partners of the firm. So gain ratio is if some partner sacrifices some share of his profit, then another partner will gain that amount of sacrifice. Okay, nothing else. The gain ratio in simple terms, if we'll say that if I was getting 40 rupees in the previous ratio and now I'm getting 50 rupees in the current ratio, so I'm gaining rupees 10 in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so rupees 10 is my gaining amount. So what is the formula for the gaining ratio? Okay, so gaining ratio equals to new share minus old share. If we'll solve the equation, then we'll get the answer, and that answer will be our gain ratio. Okay, moving forward. Second, the first thing that we have find out, that is to find out the sacrifice and gain ratio. Second adjustment that we need to do is accounting treatment of goodwill. Okay, yes, dear students, as we know that the goodwill is the intangible asset for the business. It shows the reputation in terms of finance. Okay, it shows the financial value of the reputation of the business. So we need to adjust the goodwill, because in old ratio the partners were getting the value of goodwill as per the old ratio. Now we are adopting the new ratio. So the goodwill will be calculated in the new profit sharing ratio. So it is very important to do the treatment of the goodwill. Next, third point is accounting treatment of reserves, accumulated profits and losses. Reserves are reserves are the savings of the business created by the partners from their profit. Again, reserves are what? Reserves are the savings of the business created by the partners from their profit. Okay, so if in a new firm or after construction, if the reserves are there, so we'll distribute the reserves amongst the partner according to their profit sharing. Okay, simultaneously accumulated profit will also be shared. Okay, and losses also distributed amongst the partner. But reserves and accumulated profit is the income for the partners, so it will be credited to the capital account of the partner, and losses are the expenses for the business, so it will be debited to the capital accounts of the partner. Okay, the next adjustment that we need to do is valuation of assets and reassessment of liability. Okay, so here we need to revaluate all the assets. Revaluation ka what is the meaning of revaluation? Revaluation is to find out the current value of my assets in the market. For example, I bought an office for 50 lakh before 5 years. Okay, I bought an office of rupees 50 lakh before 5 years. Now I can sell that office. The market value of this office in the current time is of 80 lakh. Okay, when I bought it was of 50 lakh, and at current time it is of 80 lakh. So I just revaluate my asset. Okay, so this is called, simultaneously we need to revaluate the liabilities also. Okay, so this is called revaluation of asset and reassessment of liability. Next treatment that we need to do is adjustment of capital. Okay, this is the last point of reconstruction, that is adjustment of capital. So adjustment of capital, so when we have started the business, we brought some kind of capital to start the business, but now we want to adopt the new policy or a new profit sharing ratio. So we need to calculate the capital also. We need to reassess or we need to reconstruct the capital ratio also. Okay, so if we want to change our capital, so we'll do this adjustment. If we don't want to change the capital, whatever the capital I have invested in a business, I want to maintain that only. So I just don't need to do any kind of adjustment in the capital. Okay, this is of choice of the partner. Okay, so these are the points that we need to take care while reconstruction of the partnership. Moving forward, difference between sacrificing ratio and gain ratio. Okay, so this is the basic point that we need to discuss in this chapter. First is meaning of sacrificing and gaining ratio. Okay, as we understood that if the partner is sacrificing, or if the partners give some profit to the another partner, so this is called sacrifice in simple meaning. Okay. In another language, if old partner giving their profit share in a favor of the new partner or to the existing partner. If any partner get enter in a partnership, at that time partners also sacrifice. Okay, so if old partner gives any amount to the existing partner or the another partner, so it is called sacrificing ratio. And gain ratio, it is inverse to that, vice versa. Okay, if the partner is getting some amount from the other partner, so it is called gain ratio. It is very simple. Moving forward, when it is computed, okay, when sacrifice and gain ratio will be calculated. Okay, so sacrificing ratio will be calculated at a time of change in the profit sharing ratio and at a time of admission of the new partner. Okay, and gaining ratio is calculated at a time of change in the profit sharing ratio as well as retirement of the partner. Okay, if three partners were working together and one partner of them wants to get retirement from the business, so the existing partner will gain some more profit because the third partner is now taking retirement from the business. Okay, so the profit of retiring partner will be gained by the existing partner. So at a time of admission of the partner, will calculate sacrifice ratio, and at a time of retirement of the partner, will calculate the gain ratio. Okay, and next point is formula. As we discussed earlier that the formula of sacrificing ratio is old minus new, and the formula of gaining ratio is new minus old. Nothing else, it is very. And the last point is why it is found. So sacrifice ratio is the purpose to find out the sacrifice ratio is to distribution of the goodwill brought by the new partner. Okay, if there is an admission of the partner and the admitting partner has to give some kind of goodwill to the existing partner. So if the new partner is getting admission in the business, so old partner will get some kind of goodwill, that is called premium for goodwill. Okay, so sacrificing ratio is to be calculated just to distribute the premium for the goodwill amongst the old partner. And gain ratio, if partner is retiring from the business, so retiring partner will take some amount of goodwill from the business. So the remaining partners will give the amount of goodwill to the retiring partner. So gaining ratio is used to distribute or used to give the amount of goodwill to the retiring partner. Okay, so dear students, so these were the theory points of this chapter, that is reconstruction of partnership. Okay, so thank you, enough for the day, enjoy your time.